Now, I'm making this video to help you understand how to troubleshoot issues related to sound. If you're having such a sign, if we try clicking on it, it's running on Windows 11, so here there is no output device. Okay, so this is a Lenovo T490, and what you should do in this case, number one, is usually coming for an update. You should update your system as the first option, but then in my updates I can't see the sound driver. Display, and we have no sound driver here. So what we're going to do is go to your browser, then we can look for the driver, Lenovo T490 sound driver. Okay, click on that, then we come here, click on it will take us to the Lenovo website. Yeah, so it is prompting us to change the location. Change to Kenya. Loading. Alright, not accept the cookies. Then you can come and download one of these. Let's take this one for Windows 10 and 11. Okay, then let's give it time to download. It's taking around 21 minutes. So as we wait for it, this is an issue that is usually brought about by drivers in most cases. In very few circumstances will you get the issue being brought about by hardware issues, but it could be one of it. So if you're facing a hardware issue, that is a different case all the way. If you're facing a hardware issue whereby you have done drivers installation and it's still not working, what you do is you must open the back of your laptop and check whether the speakers are actually connected. If the speakers are connected, you should check the condition of the speakers. If the speakers are actually okay, then probably you should find a problem there. Okay, all right, let's wait for it to finish. And it's at almost 90% or 99, 38 more MBs remaining. We should just give it time to finish. So once we are done with that, we're going to open it up and do installation. Okay, double click it, give it time to open up. Still the sign is there. It's taking some time. So there we have it. Click yes. Then we install it. Next, I accept. Next, install. It's installing. Yeah, so we have there the Realtek audio driver. It's a Realtek. It's using the Realtek driver. Okay, and it should be done in a few. Be patient and let's check it out. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Yeah, and done. It's extracting files. Let's give it time. It's taking some time, so we have to be patient. Right. And Realtek audio driver is installed successfully, so we have restored our sound. That we can do some testing. We can go to YouTube. I'm going to look for non-copyrighted song so that I can play as a test. Non-copyrighted songs without copyrights. Fall in Love. Okay. Let's play this. Let's check.
Work today is broken.
Look at how
Every
nice
day,
the sound is.
people juggle so many different tools just to get work done. A simple task turns into a time.
Yeah, so the sound is working perfectly. See you on the next video. So this is Dr. Fixer. Yeah.